Welcome back again. This is a picture of my most current physique. Now, the reason I added this in is because to me, fitness and movement kind of go hand in hand, okay? There's a lot of carryover between the two of them. People that want to lose weight, people that want to get in shape, also want to move better, and vice versa, okay? So what I want to show you is the more you move, the more active you are, the more likelihood you're going to have less body fat percentage. So the reason I included that in there was just to give you guys a little motivation. Anything is possible. Again, that's my before and after. So if you guys have really cool pictures like that, share them with me. Send them to my social media, and I'll include them on there. Here's just some obligatory cool pictures of me doing some cool stuff. And then just some various exercises, guys. So I've got a vast library of really cool things that I want to go over with you guys. This is just a small portion of some of the stuff you're going to see in this upcoming video. So I want to give you just a quick preview. I'm not going to read over every single little thing here, but essentially what I want to do is give you an idea of the entire course. So it's a big course, but really the big hallmark features that you're going to be learning is the definition of stretching, the types of stretching, how long you should stretch, who should stretch, and can stretching help with pain. I've also got a big video library of things that I'm going to show you so you don't have to guess when it comes to stretching, and I'm going to talk a little bit about anatomy. Okay, I'm not going to dive too crazy in depth with that. I just want to give you guys the basic fundamentals of anatomy that you need to know for this course. Alright, so here is a quote that I love. Movement is a lifestyle. What the heck does that mean? When I say that you should move more and work on your movement, your mobility, that sort of thing, I mean for the rest of your life. A lot of people end up taking that as I'm doing this temporarily, I'm going to try this, and I'll do it for just a short period of time. Really, the big thing is if you don't do it long term, it's not going to give you any help.